Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dwight here today, and I'm bringing another new video. And it's another car video, but it's the first of a car video because I now, after like 7-8 months of ownership, I have my first issue with this car. Actually, before I do that, I want to show you this. I'm gonna put up some before and after pictures. But look how much cleaner my exhaust tips are. Let me do one. You can actually see they're clean. They're not perfect, but I just literally use a spray bottle of dish soap and a metal brush, and I was like, yeah, why not? So I was gonna do my wheels, but I don't have the lug nuts or the whatever it's called to get these off. I don't know what it's called. But my steering wheel position sensor, I think, is going out on this car, and that's not good because when I was driving it today, post office is probably 5 miles away from here, and I was driving normally. I didn't do any pulls or anything, and I was driving straight, and my wheel, I was maybe slightly turning, and my steering wheel started shaking a lot, and on my little dashboard thing, it said service vehicle like immediately or very soon or something like that, or service vehicle soon. That's what it said. And it happened those 2 times. It was after I hit a pothole, and I hit a pothole on this steering wheel, on this wheel up here. I hit it really hard too. I hit it really hard. So I was thinking about just getting this inspected just to make sure it's good, and then obviously I'm pretty sure, for what I've seen online, I'm 99% sure that it's a steering wheel position sensor. Hopefully, like, it seems like the labor is going to be what costs the most. I don't know how much. I didn't even look at the part yet, but yeah. This is what's really nice too, is when I'm just coasting. Oh, you can just hear that chop. It's so good. I love it. But I will say this as well. I'm thinking about selling this and getting a Mustang. I know it's very different. I mean, it's, yeah, our newer one is pretty, it's like an S197. Depending on the model, it's probably just more of a muscle car than anything. But an S550 is what I'm looking at. There's one for actually a really good price, one owner. It's 130,000 miles, but it's a one owner, so I trust the car, I guess, the owner. So I don't know. It's like 20,000. I paid 25 for this. I mean, yeah, it's gonna perform better. It's built for a supercharger right now, so I wouldn't really be losing out on that much. Well, I would be losing out on a lot, I guess, because the work that was done to this engine I got a really good price. That's what everyone says, and I think it's a pretty good price too, just because the previous owner worked at a shop. He got the prices with his employee discount, and he has a friend who worked at a performance shop who did builds and whatever, so he had the tools to do it correctly. So this is a really good car. I don't know. I just really want a Mustang. I don't know. Leave in the comments what you think I should do. So I was literally just cruising like this at I was going like 50, but and then randomly, just as I was about to turn, I didn't turn my turn signal on yet, but I was going to. My steering wheel just started shaking pretty badly, back and forth. Not like a lot back and forth, but it was or not a long distance back and forth. Like it wasn't like this. It was just really quick back and forth and short throws or whatever. My car just started deaccelerating or like coasting, and it was really cool. I liked it a lot. But right now, I think I should have added this too in my Reddit post. My steering wheel is a lot lighter than usual, so I'm not a lot lighter, but I feel like it is lighter than usual. Maybe because my tires are warm. It's warmer out. Well, I guess I'd have more grip then, right? If my tires were warmer, I don't know. So it'd be harder because it's more grip. I got no I do feel like my steering, there's something feels different, especially after I hit that pothole. So it sucked too, because I just literally could not see it. I usually try to remember the roads and like where potholes are, but I don't know. I normally did on the road and I just didn't see it. So that kind of sucked, but whatever. All right, we made it here to Planet Fitness. Okay. Yeah, I'm here. After this, I think I'm gonna go get some clips in my car. I don't know. I want to do more like little edits for TikTok and Instagram, but I just don't know where. I don't have good spots. I already used them. So yeah, I'm gonna go in there and be back in like an hour. All right, not too much later, but done with the workout. I'm gonna start this again. I want a Mustang, but I don't want to sell this car. So yeah, this is kind of a quick video, but honestly, I liked this video, making this video, more than I liked making the one trying to fix my window, where I didn't fix my window. You guys can still see, yeah. You know, you can't really see it, but the crack is still there. It's awesome, I like it. I am going to, they're not that bad right now, but you can definitely see on camera, it's starting to kind of fog up, and I'd like to get that fixed before it's like really bad. Do that next week, just because I'll have more time for it. And I also want to get this rubber strip. Where did this part go? Was it cut? I don't know. I have no idea. I would assume it was, but it's really bothering me. This car's already dirty again too. But I got this washed like last week, but I literally just drive it so much. So yeah, short video, but you know, I want to get more videos up, and I actually like making this video. So yeah, and I think, oh yeah, right there, you see that? This little gap right here, I'd prefer to get that not that. Oh my, wait, this isn't great either. That's, I wish I didn't see that. It's gonna bother me a lot. Just this door is very, I don't know, it's very loose. But another thing too, I noticed, I didn't realize how bad it was. But right here, you can see that. Right there. You see this here, it's not great. It's not like the end of the world, but yeah, I don't know. So yeah, that's the video. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.